Hello, I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring. It is front wheel drive and has the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. It's a one owner vehicle with a clean Carfax. We offer Carfax reports for free, available here at the dealership or online through our website. It's been fully serviced and checked out and everything is good to go. And it also qualifies for our guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. It has lots of options. I'm going to try to cover as many as I can in this video. The interior is leather and the driver's seat is power, and you also have a power sunroof. It has memory seats for additional drivers. You have your lane departure warning, power liftgate, power sliding rear doors, and parking sensors for the front and rear. And it currently has 101,000 miles, and it does have navigation, as you can see there. That's also where your backup camera will display. You also have heated front seats for the driver and passenger, and then you have dual climate control. It actually has 3 zones, both driver and passenger and the rear. And then you have your radio screen below, and your DVD slot is at the very bottom. And then you have your USB and 12-volt power and your auxiliary ports. And your controls for the power sunroof are right there. The second row is a bench seat. You can remove that middle seat and make it bucket seats if you prefer to do that. It does have cup holders in that back of the middle seat if needed. You also have your rear air controls there, and the vents are in the headliner. It does have DVD, and your third row seat can also seat up to 3 people. And it does have a power liftgate. So it does have the power liftgate, and your storage area is very deep. If you need additional room, you can lay down the third row seat. It is a 60-40 split bench seat, so you can choose if you need part or all of that folded down. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.